New from Stonebridge Homes Northwest, the Marquam is an exclusive new home design at Reed's Crossing, Oregon's largest new home development. This 5-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home features a stylish, modern look and feel with a spacious, airy layout. Featuring a den on the main floor and a bonus room or 5th bedroom upstairs, this home can accommodate you with ease. As with all Stonebridge homes, the Marquam is certified by Earth Advantage for home performance and sustainability. Living in Reed's Crossing will place you at the heart of an exciting new community. Conveniently located near local job centers, Reed's Crossing is the modern model in community design. For more information, contact a community representative today at stonebridgehomesnw.com.